quantum thinking in fashion designing. What is quantum physics and how does it apply to fashion designing? The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available on Fashion Premier Academy. Roll it! Quantum physics, by definition, confirms that reality is what you make it. Be aware of what you are thinking. Be aware of your thoughts and belief systems. How do you see yourself as a fashion designer? Do you have a positive vision and positive thoughts and beliefs about being a great fashion designer and a successful fashion brand? Are your thoughts and actions aligned with your vision? Be aware of your doubts and limitations and how you might be sabotaging yourself with thoughts like, oh, I'll never be great. I'm not talented enough. I'm not creative enough. I'm not good enough. Turn these thoughts around. In quantum physics, the theory is that there are endless possibilities. Endless possibilities. What do you choose to become? It's up to you. You have the power to choose. So make choices that will move your vision and your brand forward. Fashion designing process is a creative process. In order to create something, you must have nothing first. A painter starts with a blank canvas. Nothing on a blank canvas. Allow yourself to be with nothing. Live in the question, what will I design next? What do I want to do next? Where do I want to be next? Live in the world of endless possibilities and choose wisely. Be excellent and create a fantastic brand. A brand that gives you personal satisfaction, that gives you a creative outlet, and at the same time fulfills your purpose. If you can achieve that, you have succeeded. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.